Final year students, here is a problem for you in Tally. This is prepare trial balance. Cash, bank and all are given. My dear students, to record the cash balance, what we have to do is just after creation of the company, go to main menu and select accounts info, ledger, take alt option. By selecting so, you can enter 9,000 rupees of cash balance. Then my dear students, here you have to create these ledgers under multiple: bank under bank, stock under current asset, capital under capital, sales under sales, investment under investment, purchases under purchases, salaries indirect expense, rent indirect expense, discount received indirect income, bills receivable current asset, sales returns under sales, purchase returns under purchases. Okay, then after entry of all these ledger accounts, just go to main menu, there select display option, under the display option select trial balance. So output will be like this. Once again you can copy this question. I am showing. Use the pause button to copy. Okay, have you copied? These are the steps you have to follow. Yeah, my dear students, let us see how to create a company. I am pressing Alt plus F3. Then I went to company info menu. There I am creating create company. Yes, now excuse me, I want to create a company on my name. Yeah, Venkat 3, Venkat 6, like this I am creating a company on my own name, my dear students. Then country I want to take it as India. Yeah, I am selecting. You all know, my dear student, this. And state is Telangana. I have taken Telangana. You can take any one state, my dear students. Then give all the particulars. You know, my dear students, company creation very well you are doing. It's very interesting. Then immediately after the creation of the company, now I want to enter cash opening balance 9,000. I will press the escape key. Then accounts info. See, my dear students, ledger. Then alt option I am selecting. Under alt option I have selected cash. Now I want to enter 9,000 rupees of the balance, which is given in the question. 9,000 cash balance. Yeah, it's over, my dear students. After cash balance is entered, we have to enter the remaining. For that purpose we need to create ledger accounts under multiple. Yeah, when you select multiple, it will ask under all items. Yes, the very first one is like bank is there, stock is there, bank. Now see, my dear students, yeah, bank under bank only. Yeah, my dear students, bank will come under bank account. Yeah, bank balance is 21,000, like this, my dear students. Then stock is there. Stock, you know, my dear students, it is a current asset. I am taking stock under stock, or I can take it as a current asset. Yeah, my dear students, I have taken under current asset. Yeah, so here stock is given as 30,000. I have entered 30,000, my dear students. Then, my dear students, you know, capital is given. Capital under capital. This is very important problems, my dear students. One should learn how to do and how output is coming and all. So give some time so that you will be able to learn something. When colleges got reopened, then better for you to go to lab and practice whatever we are doing here. Next, my dear students, you know, sales. Sales comes under sales only, my dear students. Yeah, see, just selection of the group, that's it. Already groups will be there. Sales they have given 80,000, like this. My dear students, don't feel I'm wasting your time, but this is very important. Investments. For investments, there is one investments group is there. If I press I, it is showing investment will come under investments only, my dear students. Investments are 70,000. Yeah, see, my dear students, after investments purchases are there. Purchases under purchases only, my dear students, don't get confused. Purchases comes under purchases account, it is 10,000. See, my dear students, like this. Okay, you can do all. After that I want to stop it here, but you practice the remaining also, my dear students. Don't leave in middle. You have to press Control plus A, because I am keeping in mind of your time and all. After purchases, salaries is there. Okay, no problem. Let me do it. Salaries comes under indirect expense. See, my dear students, just selection. Salaries comes under indirect expense, it is 6,000 only. Yeah, my dear students, in the middle, if my system stops, then what you have to do is just go to main menu, there select display option, under display option take trial balance. ఒకవేళ నాది ఆగిపోయింది అనుకో మా మెమరీ లేక, then you have to do like that. Then rent is indirect expense, my dear students. See, indirect expense, yes, it is given as 4,000. Yeah, my dear students, it is over. Discount received, it is a indirect income, my dear students. Indirect income. See, my dear students, everything is selection mode only. It is 10,000, it is given clearly. Then, my dear students, bills receivable, yeah, it's a current asset, my dear students. You all know bills receivable is a current asset. Yeah, it is given as 9,000 is given, 9,000. Then, my dear students, they have given sales returns. Yeah, sales returns, yeah, under sales only, sales returns under sales. So how much means 6,000. Yeah, sometimes it will show credit, my dear students, but the thing is sales return should show debit balance. So here, by making a click, you can enter debit. If you press DR, it will show debit. See, my dear students, that is the important point. Yeah, next, purchases returns. Yeah, my dear students, purchases always shows debit balance, but purchase returns also comes under purchases only. But what is the amount? It is 15,000. My dear students, it will show debit, but we have to record it as credit. Why? Because purchase returns always shows credit balance. Okay, next, you have to press Control plus A to save. Always you have to press Control plus A. My dear students, now the ledger entries are over. I am going to main menu. Very quickly, my dear students, I am taking display option. Under display, the very first one is trial balance. So I entered trial balance. It is tallied at 1,65,000. You do in your own, my dear students. When I will turn like this, my dear students, excuse me for this. Yeah, if I press Alt plus F1, it will show more and more details. My dear students, you do it in your own. You copy the question, you do trial balance. Doing of trial balance is very, very important. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more and more classes and tally. Why? Because, my dear students, tally learning is very, very important in final year. Based on this, in next semester you are going to learn GST and all. I wish all the best, my dear students. Do practice this problem. This is a trial balance. This is a very wonderful problem. Hope, my dear students, you have done. Yes, copy the question. Once again, I am showing you the question here. Yeah, this is the question. For that we have done the answer. Yeah, cash, bank, stock. Just create a company, then go to ledger, take alt option, enter cash balance, then create all the ledger accounts under multiple. Very quickly you can do. Take the output, draw the output in the notes.